This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Hagerty Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 330 East Roosevelt Road in West Chicago.